This is Zion Kind of FM. Some of your fantastic from Okran family. And first Peter Okran, Agatha Okran. And I feel good Lord richly bless Osumunina and Kuponsha Shabunina. Now Fabian Sunko Yenso Emfa Emamo. And also the Empire Sambre Enono. It's a 93.3 from Anaguso Utieno. And Chevesan Soremo Kumase Babanya Sports Stadium. Yafeko for Community Aba. Entimi Kona Coach Ray. They want some for game Chikaka. Now Faye Sanko back to Babanya Sports Stadium. Never come to the also Emma Ray.
Kofi.
Yeah, first half na bari Jakusiano Kumasa Santoroko. I'm not penalty back any. To me, I'm for penalty na nye dey say dey no. What I say?
No Kofi, out to you. In fact, I'm impressed I'm for this season because I too free Premier League I think almost 9 to 10 years ni. Ache pan out to you free. But so I'm coming back no. I to you ni team no wa bo Premier League ni be pen. Nti no nim near what Premier League nim. No nim kwan first wa. Ono so obetimi da dey atoto ni nyoma yi. Nti Red Star United omo koye no ma ba no. Omo hwe say ombe season. Nti watimi ato akotoko baba yara almighty kotoko. Kotoko dey nim performance this season ya chance how omo se fear the only king face up na etimi defeat no. Nti going into this game no to me Mianka Samini Kaka say Kotoko be winning game hands down. Sake of House of Folk win no to extend the points gap that Omumi no entem. Yes. But so first half no Kotoko timi anya penalty magani we entimi aya den and entimi am breaking virginity in this game no. So you share on the second department of the game no.
Okay.
If say Kotoko ombetimi akon because House of Folk game no say ya na ye first half omo create chances no omo boni nyina tugu ye. So coming back in the second half no Grasna wako etimi eden e make a difference in the game name House of Folk. Eti Kotoko no minim say coach Prosperity first half you know on in kwala na so the boys in the back kasa or dressing room said the be o back in the second half no now metimi ade out for echi eden aka form but to me there yes still no mijira say Kotoko I don't the full 90 ni day definitely on be defeat yes on be defeat out to extend it because of ningina House of Folk see we are was seen winning na ba ne day Kotoko stand firm because yengine hu last season the year you started leg no achase see ya Kotoko emma House of Folk gap within a short time House bounce back be then 18 beji Premier League no
okay
you betin ka you fan Kotoko ebo home away from away and this is not all born Baba Yara Sports Stadium ni there ono so be bibia so that ono so be den etimi akon anim akwaje leg no ntino Kotoko there me we say I don't the full 19 there they will definitely win this game.
Okay. Yes, into Coach Ray. And I saw two on Suna Sam Kakora for game Natia. West Kumasia Santoroko. Never share Kanaba Quatu to maintain Kano. I said for us someone. But if you bungalow, I do my 26 yen I Remo. I quite Chimja, Yakoja, 26 yen I after some one for Tekunis and Ponema Bonafe. Then I was supporting a Fabian Koye. It's the all students for your joining now. Yakaboza. In a Bonafe bois. Now, Bibian Koye, the Amo Bibia. It's Musha and him saying come from New River. New River. Kaya Santos Robi. I'm a Yimwan as my Yimwa. Jump for comment to us on from my tier 4. Kumasi Santa Coroko. Out to you game no unim se second for Chebia. That's a chance of Banyara Sports Stadium Anessa. It's a ball remove of your for Feta to be in Swaba. Nabian so queer Monte Count and copy him. It's me for me coach in China for young coach in the next 45 minutes in a day and I expect FM free game the coach.
Yeah, Kofi and a medical cano. Yeah, 2 minutes there, me medical casa Kotoko definitely on be winning match because win no a day here Kotoko pa because a Kotoko ain't me and winning game we are not a quack something wages there because and chair and a fence saying omutra baba yara hwa ma omankaso mu nuamu Kimfaisa eche omugu amekanu miensa ma mutim mienu nti no Red Tamale United esan de we beto aso anaso if crowd draw crowd no ebema kotoko fans no yes aso ahye ebe ba nti to me dey Kofi match den ko na kotoko be wini kotoko be wini papa bi e friend pa kwesi mampon o join nkwanta sam ne ko hwe o pewra radio nim kra oro so anyumre ncha kese command pa we full fabulous the fabu man no
what's the now
yes
intia no yegusu e connect ahomana siensa kanya mecha beba na fere komanchuni dia toaso dia ma ono ne okumase babanyara sports stadium sesi amigusu amika sei etilizi e konjo magic no sebia toma we come back to babanyara in the next 45 minutes no de ba kwesi na di musem na dia ba yabo the sports bar stand so want to go so e konjo magic na sala ni to tom dia na fe yakona de koma junior to so de ma
Wajabana said so Sadat Mohamed. Wajabana without someone back to Sadat Mohamed. Sadat Mohamed. One of the problem. Watani Tanyaki. David Abagna. Senso. Maxola Jimana saying one and so. A Friday kind. Ukian for the money that's the from of that to do. Get what for Baba Jaras for the mouth to goalkeeper. Or say your Edapom. Or say your Edapom. I'll see goalkeeper Osanyao. What a form to Rusty Clement Fan in Kwan. What Tana Bench, Jan Pasha, Pasha, and radio. A friend talks to me on the Ghana Premier League match, the 8, Mijin Nedo Polygamite, Sansona Fredo Kabari. What do end so I say? What draw at the man 4-4-2, 4-3-3, 4-3-3.com. 433sports.com and the website here. The local news. Papa Padia. Now, what's your something going to be? Out to you through entry NKB. And your temporary order of goalkeeper out for restaurant and also. I don't drop the Clement Farming Court. And your trainer was here to not jump to a radio show. What's up, money? Jump out for David Abagna. What's up, money? One of the opportunities that you have been Abdullahi. What's up, David Abagna? Abdullahi, jump out with jump out for Renzo. Sharif Mohamed will give you one of the same concept. What's up, money? Renzo. What's up, Abana? Got a man from Tikorapa. When you fuck off, I want to put a radio on the people who put in the 2020 photo. What a fight by a paternity in the day. Frank Bella Atuka. Tuma Johnson, come on. I think it's a separate part and then also I am prepared and I use the protocol started the second hour very well. If you go the end was divided, started it very well. And started pressing out to the hard to reach the great strike and the great position for a very good striker. Come on, Johnson, come on. Component to roll on the component Blanco. A point defensive 20 Papato. What's the one on one of the judging thinking? Referee Clement coming for the power of the yard. A piece up to line. Our friend that one of your something for the one and to entry. Yes, ready to whichever one is the Pato. One of the Phantom Bella. Then I tell one in one of the not so, one and transfer, better branch and it did not be Ismail. In that year, whichever him at the summer branch and it did not be Mustafa Fuseni, whichever one is the international, Maxwell, and she want to pay for a form and a branch here. 29 years to the chance of Twitter for Jodina Bakina, whichever Sarat Mohamed, which man Bakadat, whichever Georgian Peke, taking anybody for but I come in Bala. Jodina Bakina, where you want to prepare Sarat Mohamed, on the move, but we'll take your body so that, and I said Jodina Bakina, which man call, taking a man for now, whichever I say prepare, one and take a bit of Mohamed, Kiki, when you're power them out to you, the Jabon in Mediaco, after my frontier, the Federal Museum, no team, what was like Jabon after my match to a bear, Sarat Mohamed, but Jabon said Roland, Roland the Trumpa, a long second ball, while Papa in Champato, while King Sarit Mohamed, Roland, the chance of Vida Magnetia about 30 minutes. Bono and Abanico. Goalkeep. Your boy FLC. Goalkeep your boy FLC. I will right there for him with that Abdul Ghani, back to Abdul Ghani. Come on, pass to Abdul Ghani. What's that one? Razak Cabrera. Razak Cabrera. What's that one I'm saying? Gamma the Toronto. Then say what? Akaras, Richard Watu, Saint Santo, what I'm saying about it, but one of the rich Malante, they do not support me forward it out to you. Hafiz Abdullahi was not support my phone on air phone. Yeah, boy, they have overquad in the day out to you. Rich Malante, Maxwell Atman, what you want to say, Georgian Peke, when Trump out to you, what you want to pepper, so that's on a movement.